Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here in this general list, we have to scroll down to the very bottom, or actually not to the very bottom. We basically have to find digital well-being and parental controls. So let's tap on this option. And as you can see here, we've got the graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, it is 58 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings and then the camera. So basically, in order to check some further details, you can simply tap on this graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard, where you can check the time you've spent on the screen in particular days of the week. You can compare them, simply tap on the specific day and your device will show you the information. You can show categories. You can also check notifications and unlocks. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.